have to be good and you have to do good. Masyado ng maraming kurakot, masyado ng maraming masasamang tao sa mundo. Huwag na tayong dumagdag pa. And good is good. You know, it all comes back to you.
I could walk you by and I'll tell without a thought. You'd be mine, would you mind if I took your hand tonight? No, you're all that I want.
Lahat ng tao dapat may ambisyon. Kung ang buhay natin ay parang kotse, yung ambisyon, yun ang gasolina. Pero dapat isipin natin na yung ambisyon pag walang plano, nagiging pantasya para sa mga taong tamad. Ang ambisyon kasi